Welcome back. This is a one-of-a-kind vehicle which I'm reviewing today, and this is the Hydroclass. Hydroclass is powered by a 5 kilowatt battery, which is enough to take you around your cold with much smile, much happiness. This is the battery itself here, but as I mentioned, if you just lift this key up, you can see the battery. There's the battery here, the controller here, the AC/DC converter, and if you scan here for Android and iOS, you can access all the battery information. I see the version is available in more versions, and this is where players stand. There's lots of space, but like inside here, here's the cooler box in case of any injuries, and here's where you carry your water. As you come to the interior of this vehicle, there are 3 cup holders. There are a lot of space everywhere. Space here, space here, space here, and this is where the wireless charging goes, which is very good, and which is something which you don't see very commonly. There are 2 USB ports, one Type C and C. It supports PD charging. Same over here. There's a small LCD screen right here which shows how much voltage is there in your battery and how much charge is left. And this is the drive selector. You can put it in neutral, drive or reverse here. This is the key. And the best part is, which is not fitted in this vehicle, you can also get a start-stop system, which is very nice. This is the steering thing. It feels more like a go-kart and it feels very sporty because this is the accelerator and the brake, and the small thing which is here, the rear park. If you press that and put the brake all the way down, it engages the parking brake. And if you keep it in neutral and turn off the vehicle, it will safely be in the place where it is. And the best part about all the things is it has electromagnetic brakes, which is like a electric hold on. It's seen in other cars, which means at even 45 degrees of angle, the car won't move at all. This is a startup called Hydroclass, and it is based in Kolkata, where the main factory is, and the registered office is there in Bangalore. For more information, use this the number which is given, and you can contact here and follow for more such crazy content. See you in the next round.